Hello guys, good day. This is Cruiser LC300 2022-2024 basic to full option style, like GX to VXR look. Complete bumper upgrades, front and rear, including the mud flaps, all the necessary clips. Okay, even the rear bumper, the top plate, it's also coming. Fender liner is also coming there. Fender trims, this over fenders, it's already painted, guys. We have it pearl white and black. Okay, this is the clips. The clips are here, and this is the places where to put the clips. Good quality material, guys. Okay, good quality plastic. Not the vacuum forming and not polyurethane. This is much better than that. This is some kind of mix ABS with polypropylene, or maybe just a pure polypropylene. All right, this is painted black, guys. We have it pearl white and black. Okay. Quality of the paint is decent. Okay, there is no any dust on the paint. This is just from the bag. Okay. So there is no any question to the quality of the paint. And you can see the fog lamps are also included here, along with the wires. Chrome trims, garnishes is also here. In addition, we are also providing free of charge. This is like stainless steel chrome kind of board, the trim for the rear bumper. This is like add-on, stick-on type. See, I don't want to unwrap it to avoid any scratch. All right, so that's the set. This is upper bumper piece. This one is the front lower with fog lamps. So again, upper, lower. There is a bracket also included underneath of the grill. Definitely you need it. After installation, you need it, upon installation. And the rear bumper, it's also equipped with upper and lower piece. This is the upper one, the big one. Okay, and this is the lower piece. You can see all the necessary covers like this. You know, this is for the rear bumper here, corners on the top, left and right, two piece. Okay. And fender liners are absolutely mandatory, because your front bumper will be much more taller compared to the basic model. So you need those liners inside for the tire wheel. All the bumpers, all the clips, as you can see, all the things are done perfectly. Look at this, guys. I'm taking this video because you're asking. And this is place to fix the fender liner. Fender flare, I mean. This is the liner, this is the flare. Okay, so that's the kit.